We've seen questions like this before. Again, I don't really know who's getting stuff like this wrong unless you've never seen a graph before. We are asked to find the solution. It does not matter that it's an absolute value function. Nothing matters about what the equation actually looks like as an equation or as a graph. When we're asked for a solution, we're looking for where these things intersect. That's right here. They even put a little dot there for us. That is the 0.15. Again, the trap answer that I think would be good as a trap is the opposite of that, 5-1, right? Because when you're going fast, sometimes you just read the coordinates wrong, especially since the point is kind of closer physically to the 5 than it is to the 1, at least on the scale. We might be tempted to kind of just like put the 5 first, but that's not an option. -1,5, I don't know why anyone would put that. 0,4 is the y-intercept of the line. And then 4,2 is this point right here where it bends, but that's not anything. That's nothing special. So it doesn't, basically the thing is when we're asked for a solution, we are asked for a point that works in both equations. So there might be very special points that we might care about in other circumstances for one of the equations, right? The y-intercept of a line is often very important. This like pivot point of an absolute value is not so important, but I get why it feels important. But those things don't matter when we have a system. The system is what's common to both. And sometimes they will just call it an intersection point, but I think if they had done that here, it might have been even easier to get. But I don't know, you can't get much easier than this, guys. So please do not get stuff like this wrong. This is just a killer to your score if you're not paying attention and pick the wrong thing.